You're here with the Mouse Vibes. We're at Universal Studios Hollywood inside Super Nintendo World for our very first time. Welcome to the technical rehearsal, guys. You can only do something once for the first time, so let's go into Super Nintendo World here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Are you kidding? What? Oh my gosh! We are going through the warp tunnel into Princess Peach's castle, and this is your first glimpse of Super Nintendo World. Holy yeah! It's over here! Holy crap! This is insane! Wow! Are you kidding me? And look at all my best friends are here. Just welcoming us in. Oh my goodness, everything is alive! But what do we do first? Do we check out Toadstool Cafe? Or go right to the Mario Kart Bowser Challenge? Oh my goodness, look at this place, guys. Wow. We're one of the very first people to come into this land and see what it's all about. And right off the bat, this thing is vibrant, it's full of colors. I feel like I've stepped into a Super Nintendo world. There's only one thing you should actually do when you first get in here, and that's get on the main attraction. Let's go over and check out Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. I am so excited to be here. Doing well, thank you.
Enjoy, have a good race.
Oh my gosh. Hey, how are you? Wow. Holy smokes. All right, here we go. We're gonna go check out the challenge right now. Are you kidding? Look at this queue. This thing is massive. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. We're in that outside patio area from the studio tram tour. This is finally what it looks like. This is insane. Holy crap. This queue is so extensive. Wow. Look at all the colors in here. Kind of smells like a Mushroom Kingdom in here. All right, here we go. Wow.
Please shuffle in as we prep for the race to win the Universal Golden Cup. We ask that you please fill in our briefing room and watch the monitors as we get your carts ready for the race against Bowser.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Oh my gosh. We got our visors. We're ready to go. Everyone looks like they're having a great time on this. Yes. All right, here we go on the Mario Kart attraction. Let's time to clip in. Oh yeah, I look super ready. Whoa. Fell off already. Oh my gosh, I can already see coins and turtle shells. They look awesome. Oh my goodness. Woo! And just like any good ride, you exit through the gift shop. Welcome to the One-Up Factory. Now that we've ridden the ride, the next order of business is to get a power band. We just got this awesome Yoshi power band within the 1UP factory, and now we're able to become a video game character within Super Nintendo World and collect the most points, get all the coins, and we're gonna put it to the test and see if we can be the #1 player on the soft opening day. All right, we've opened up our power band, and there's actually a QR code on the back that you can access through the Universal Studios app. We're gonna go ahead and scan this, get it linked to our app, and then we can collect coins and try to be like the best character ever. All right, just like that, we're Team Yoshi, and I get to pick my name now. So now once you get into the app, you're gonna allow to change your name. Right now I'm player 4245367. That's just not gonna do. Perfect, we're ready to go. So now that we have our power band, we're able to start collecting coins. Documented my first coins collected using the power band. How awesome. Oh, there's another one right over here, look. Yeah. And then right over here next to the restroom, you're actually gonna see a ranking system. It's gonna give you your individual player statuses right over here. Nightwing is just killing it already. And it lets you also know what team they're on as far as what character. So it looks like Nightwing for Yoshi, so Team Yoshi. All right, we're looking good. There's also signage for character meet and greets going on. We're gonna have Mario and Luigi right behind me at 12:30. And there's a line forming over here for the Princess Peach meet and greet. Our friends Peter and Kitcher from Ordinary Adventure over there. Go check out their channel and see what Princess Peach looks like. Yahoo!
Big round of applause for Mario.
Look at all these people to meet Mario and Luigi. And our friend Kitcher's the very first person to meet Mario and Luigi in Super Nintendo World. That's a badge of honor. All right, hey guys, how's it going? Woohoo! Yeah! Hey Mario! Hello! Oh, you talk!
How are you today?
Dreams come true. I just got to meet Mario and Luigi. They're so awesome. They actually speak. It's so crazy. They're actually really nice guys. Real nice plumbers. We're here with their friends Peter and Kitcher from Ordinary Adventures. What are your first thoughts? You've been here for an hour. What do you think?
This is awesome. It's so cool to be in here. It feels like you're literally inside of a video game. There's so much going on, so many different noises, and I don't know, but it's so cool.
Yes.
Yeah, the whole world's interactive. It's all a game, and I want to like get all the coins. I want to get all the keys. I want to do everything.
Yeah, I'm already beating him on the leaderboard, not to brag.
Yeah, I've been filming.
Okay.
Sure. Peter's showing us a secret over here.
Put your power-up band to this M right here.
To the M? Okay. What the heck? What did I just unlock? What? Oh my gosh! What? How did you know that?
I don't know, and I think it unlocks it on your app too. But what does that do? I don't know, but apparently there's like hidden things in the walls. You gotta look out for the hidden M's.
You really are a magician. That is amazing.
I saw someone doing it.
Oh my god!
We are going to be the very first people into Toadstool Cafe. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. Oh my, I'm doing well. How are you? Wow. And then this is our chef, Toad.
Wonderful time visiting us here. Now it's time for you to take a break, relax, and enjoy some great food and
And I went with the piranha plant caprese salad. This is a carried over menu item from Japan. It's served with Roma tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, asparagus, and basil pesto served with mixed greens, shaved radishes, and apple vinaigrette.
Let's just get right into the salad. This is like the nicest looking salad, the most decorative salad I've ever had in my entire life. And I'm about to deconstruct it right now. No, not that! How about the piranha head? Yeah. Take that, piranha! I forgot to put dressing on it. This is an apple vinaigrette dressing though. Interesting choice for the caprese salad. Obviously smothered and covered. The dressing really kicks it off. I'm gonna go ahead and give that 3 vibes. It's not the greatest salad. It's exactly what it looks like, a caprese salad, but it's fresh, it's healthy. I love it.
But the presentation, Nick, the presentation.
What are those little white dots? Are those cheese?
This is also cheese, so it's a mozzarella cheese on top of it. You have to do that. Who made that?
I don't know. Toad, obviously.
Yeah, Toad, obviously. He's got all his little mushroom helpers. I love it. So Toadstool Cafe was actually 5 vibes. That was an awesome experience. Their menu is so vast. There's so many different items. But being a soft opening in a brand new land, I'm anxious to see what items actually stick and make it for the long haul. I think the first thing that we have to do now we're done is try to get some coins. We have to use our power band, max it out, and see where we are on the leaderboard. Get a couple coins real quick. Just trying to level up real quick, obviously. Now let's go check where we are on the leaderboard. So to check where you are on the leaderboard, you're gonna tap down here. And then it's gonna pull up your ranking system. Oh, look at those 11 coins. I earned all 11 of those. So this is where we are on the ranking. You're gonna hit that again. And then you can swipe through. So this is gonna be the daily rank. And right now, I am at 293. Mouse vibes, you need to step it up. Scroll over again, and this is going to be the all-time leader list, 339. Not too bad. Must be out of like 340. And then this is where we are for the Mario Kart rankings. 143. Kitcher is checking now. She's part of, obviously, the Toad team.
So I just go like that?
Yep. Let's see where she's at.
I'm
332.
I know, I was number 62 earlier, I don't want to brag. So we've been eating for a while, so that's the only reason.
You just let him catch up to give it a fair chance, right? I
Yes.
get it, totally. We're about to try our first game with our power band to collect a key. This game in particular is Goomba running, and we have to try to make him fall over by spinning this wheel. Let's try to earn our first key right now. I'm the greatest in the world. Get a couple more coins. You can even do these brick ones too. Oh my gosh, and there's another secret one. Let's see who we get. It's a peach. Oh, that makes sense for Peach's Castle. And this day just got a little bit better. Ashley's off work a little bit early. She's gonna head on over to Universal Studios, and this will be her first reaction to seeing Super Nintendo World. I cannot wait to see what she thinks.
Oh my god! It's way bigger than I thought it would be. I am off work and I get to come have fun like everybody else who's been here for 8 hours. Yay me! This is awesome. Ow!
All right, power band activated. You're on Team Yoshi.
This is
Do you want to get your first little bit of coins?
Yeah, let's
Follow
do
me
it.
this way.
okay.
Oh wow, it is.
Oh, you cashed out.
Oh, okay.
But Peter learned
More for you.
Peter learned a pro tip today with it. You want to talk?
Every 30 seconds it'll reset so you can get more coins.
You heard it here first.
So what do I win a prize?
You collect coins. It goes onto your power band.
And then do I win a prize?
So at the end of it, you have a daily ranking system to be the #1 player inside Super Nintendo World.
And then do they send me a prize? You got it. You're bold. You're perfect. Fabulous.
So this giant piranha plant has been sleeping all afternoon. He may not be running just yet, or maybe he's tired out from earlier, but we'll have to come back to check out this piranha plant. This game, you need at least 2 people to operate, so I need to bring Ashley with me.
It's gonna fall off.
Watch out, Ordinary Venture is gonna come for the leaderboard. Oh, there it goes. I like your technique of like the scoop up.
I go with the.
I do a good slap. Gotta slap it.
So something that we're noticing is over here when you go upstairs, there's actually 3 screens right here. Hopefully we get Yoshi appearing in this area sometime. It seems like you would fit perfect right there. It's your first reaction. You're about halfway through this queue. What are your thoughts so far?
It's a bit overwhelming. I don't know everything about the Mario world, but this is amazing.
I I know everything about every, no, I'm joking. It's awesome. Bowser is so cool. I love how ginormous it is, and I love that it smells like fresh paint here. It's kind of like that new car smell that's like never gonna happen again, you know?
For literally every corner that you're turning, it's something new. You're looking at something completely new. It's just amazing.
The craziest thing about being here on the soft opening is you can see all the like little things that still need to get fixed, and I think that's really quirky and fun that we get to like see that today, because it's never gonna be here again, hopefully.
That's a good way to be optimistic. I love that. And we're pros. We've been here since 10 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, I'm pretty much a pro.
Are they gonna make us leave? What's the deal?
Yeah, we don't have to leave. We can actually stay here forever. That platinum pass is good.
I'm down. All right, Ash, are you ready?
I'm ready. I feel kind of dorky in this hat, but I'm ready.
What are you talking about? You look official. You look
I'm
great.
ready.
The good thing about this hat is everyone else has it, so you're not the only one.
Fashion queen. I just want to like see the stuff and not look at the screen, but yeah.
We won! You're a winner, Ash. How many coins did you get?
98.
Nice!
I didn't like hate it. Let me say this. I just thought since it was gonna be a Mario Kart attraction that it was gonna be really fast, so it kind of threw me off. I definitely need to ride it a bunch more because I have a one-dimensional mind. I can't focus if there's too much going on, and I was so obsessed with seeing the set design of each room, but then these things were in my face and I was like, ah! And I couldn't like do anything, but I liked it, but I need to ride it like many more times.
I totally understand what you mean. It's kind of like this entire land. There's so much happening, it's hard to focus.
Yeah, I just thought we were gonna go faster, but I see why we couldn't go faster, but it was cool. I just need to ride it like 10 more times.
Hold on, Ashley likes to go fast on turnip rides? What? The sun is starting to set here at Super Nintendo World on the very first soft opening day, and I just feel so lucky to be experiencing this. We've been doing update videos like for a year on it, and it's finally open.
No, it is so crazy because Nick's been doing these like crazy update videos that you guys have seen, and like the time has come. Like, it is here! It is here! And granted, it's like 75% complete, but like we are here, our feet are planted in this land. It's just really crazy and super cool. I'm excited to come back and eat the food and do a bit more and ride the ride again and take every photo in every single place.
The land doesn't even start doing past member previews until the 29th of January, and the land doesn't officially open until February 17th, so we'll be doing way more videos here in Super Nintendo World. I cannot wait to dive in. What's in there? No? Mario's not in there?
Like, went really far down.
Okay, stay away from there. That's dangerous. We gotta leave. They're letting everyone know they're not allowing people. Joshua's actually letting everyone know we have to leave. This guy specifically.
He's one of our best landers right here. One of the best interactions right
Come
here.
on February 17th. I can't wait to see all of you here.
We'll be there, Joshua. Thank you so much for everything. Take care. Bye, guys.
Everybody.
Woo-hoo! This is the last warp pipe, and this is transitioning us back to the normal, regular world.
You know when in Wayne's World, they go, that's what we're doing right now.
Yep, that's open. Secret hatch, and we're by the bathrooms. Today was an absolute dream, being one of the first 50 people to enter the land with my friends, and then Ashley got to come here as soon as she was finished with work. I cannot believe we got to preview Super Nintendo World.
I can't believe the moment is here. Universal, you absolutely killed it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and it's going to be one of many Super Nintendo World videos to come to Mouse 5.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and if not, thanks for stopping by.